Today we will discuss about the operating profit ratio. Operating profit ratio establishes the relationship between operating profit and revenue from operations, and the formula to calculate the operating profit ratio is equal to operating profit upon revenue from operations into 100. And operating profit is calculated as follows: gross profit plus other operating income minus other operating expenses. Now, what are operating income and operating expenses? Operating income and operating expenses are related to our the operating activities of the business. ऑपरेटिंग एक्टिविटीज़ वो एक्टिविटीज़ हैं जिनकी हेल्प से बिजनेस जो है रेवेन्यू अर्न करता है. फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ़ ए कंपनी इज़ मैन्युफैक्चरिंग ए मोबाइल, तो देन जो कंपनी मैन्युफैक्चर कर रही है मोबाइल, दैट इज़ एन ऑपरेटिंग एक्टिविटी. And or it can be calculated as net profit. If sometimes gross profit is not given, only net profit is given in the question, then if net profit is given, we have to deduct the non-operating incomes from it and add the non-operating expenses and losses. रीज़न बीइंग दैट कि जब हम नेट प्रॉफिट कैलकुलेट करते हैं तो देन वी ऐड द नॉन ऑपरेटिंग इनकम्स एंड डिडक्ट द नॉन ऑपरेटिंग एक्सपेंसेस. बट हेयर वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द ऑपरेटिंग प्रॉफिट, हमें कैलकुलेट करना है. तो देन जो भी नॉन ऑपरेटिंग एक्सपेंसेस हैं जिनको हम डिडक्ट कर चुके हैं, उनको हम एड अप कर देंगे, और जो नॉन ऑपरेटिंग इनकम्स हैं जो कि हमारी ऑपरेटिंग एक्टिविटीज से रिलेटेड नहीं है, उनको हम डिडक्ट कर देंगे. एग्जाम्पल्स जो हैं ऑफ द ऑपरेटिंग इनकम आर रेंट रिसीव्ड, डिविडेंड रिसीव्ड एंड इंटरेस्ट रिसीव्ड. फॉर्म की अर्निंग्स हैं एंड फॉर्म ने अपनी जो सरप्लस फंड्स हैं उन्हें कहीं पर इन्वेस्ट किया है. ऑल दीज रेंट रिसीव्ड, डिविडेंड रिसीव्ड एंड interest received is related to the investing activities. In the same way, non-operating expenses like interest on long-term borrowings or loss on sale of asset, these are non-operating expenses. ये हमारे डायरेक्टली ऑपरेटिंग एक्टिविटीज से रिलेटेड नहीं है. और ऑपरेटिंग प्रॉफिट इज कैलकुलेटेड फ्रॉम रेवेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशंस माइनस ऑपरेटिंग कॉस्ट. Revenue from operation means sales, and operating cost is equal to cost of revenue from operation means cost of goods sold plus operating expenses. So revenue from operations minus cost of revenue from operation means gross profit, and gross profit minus operating expenses, that is equal to operating profit. And why we calculate the operating profit ratio? We calculate the operating profit ratio to determine the operational efficiency of the business, and if ratio is higher then it is a better. Okay, let us discuss some questions related to it. Case 1, revenue from operations are rupees 5 lakh and operating profit is rupees 75,000. And the formula of operating profit ratio is operating profit upon revenue from operations into 100. It is very simple to calculate. We just simply put the figures: operating profit 75,000 and revenue from operations 5 lakh into 100, and the answer is 15%. In case 2, revenue from operations are given and operating cost is given 5 lakh 20,000, and operating profit ratio is operating profit upon revenue from operations into 100. Revenue from operations 6 lakh given, and operating profit is equal to revenue from operations minus operating cost. 6 lakh minus 5 lakh 20,000, that is 80,000, and 80,000 upon 6 lakh into 100, that is 13.33%. And the case third, revenue from operations 7 lakh 20,000 are given, gross profit is 20%, and operating expenses are rupees 36,000. And gross, it is not mentioned that this gross profit is on revenue from operations or on cost of revenue from operations. If nothing is mentioned about this, so that we assume that it is on revenue from operations. Means this gross profit जो है, it is a 20% of 7,20,000. uh, 20% of 7,20,000 is 1,44,000. 1,44,000 is gross profit, and operating profit is equal to gross profit plus operating incomes minus operating expenses. But in this question, the figure of operating income is not given, so we just deduct the operating expenses from gross profit. Gross profit is 1,44,000 and operating expenses are 36,000, and operating profit will be 1,44,000 minus 36,000, 1,08,000, and 1,08,000 divided by 7,20,000 into 100, then operating profit ratio will be 15%.